everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah and today I'm going to give you an update on my week and how that went for me. So I generally talk about food here and Weight Watchers because I have been active for the most part over the past 10 years using Weight Watchers. There was a period of time that I went off of Weight Watchers because life. But anyways, I am back at it and seriously tracking every day and being very mindful of what I put into my body. So last week I posted a video about a major shift in my diet, and a lot of it was motivational based on how I was feeling. I was feeling really cruddy and I knew I was making some poor food choices, overeating, eating sugary stuff that was really unnecessary for me. But we all do it and that's fine. So I hope what I share with you today is a little bit motivational. And first I just want to say thank you so much for DMing me. I got a lot of DMs. Thanks for commenting. Thank you for emailing me and sharing. That gives me that gives me motivation as well. So thank you so much. What has happened this week is consistency is key. I am not eating a lot of sugar. I just have that I am aware of the sugar that is in my coffee creamer. So the cravings of different types of foods has completely stopped. I don't have a lot of hunger going on, and that is bringing me back to that time where I was at my goal weight 10 years ago, where I used food to fuel my body, and nothing was emotional. Nothing. I didn't eat my emotions away, you know, like, oh, I had a bad day, let's go grab some ice cream. Nothing like that. So I'm feeling pretty grounded with my food choices and my diet. So yay. So first of all, let's talk a little bit about motivation. So my motivation was how I was feeling. I was feeling pretty cruddy and I knew I needed to cut some stuff out of my diet. That included gluten, pretty much dairy, and the sugar. I started work last week full-time as teacher mode again, so I am consistent when I eat. I'm noticing I'm eating relatively the same things. I pack the same thing for the most part every day for lunch. I eat at the same time now, and it's just consistent because I have a schedule again. So I'm not sure if you like that consistency or not, but it really helps. So I am tracking. Some days I go over my points, some days I do not. I do link my watch with my points, and it's there, but I don't use them. And if I do, but it's just like that bonus feature where if I'm walking 10,000 steps and I earn so many points, extra points, it is what I might just leave them there. I won't say, oh geez, with those 2 points I'll just go grab a 2-point snack just because I can. I don't do that. So not only am I feeling good, I have lost, for what it's worth, I have lost 2.8 pounds from Sunday to Sunday. And I have noticed this week that my clothing is fitting better. I'm feeling more comfortable within my body, and I couldn't be happier about that. Even if I didn't lose any weight, I still feel better. So I know last week I talked about how I lost quite a bit, but I think it's just what your body, or my body, naturally goes through when I just cut out the sugar. And there's a lot of stuff that you don't carry around with you. Anyways, so let me talk about what I've been eating. So for breakfast, I have my coffee, 3 points. I have a Kodiak cake that I pre-make. I make the Kodiak cakes with just water only. I pre-make them. I thaw them, and then I eat one in the morning, and then I make sure before I leave the house I have my full mason jar. Getting all fancy here, but that mason jar, that 8-ounce mason jar, is empty. So the water in the morning is really important for me, and it makes me feel a lot better for the first like 4 hours of my day. And I'm still drinking water as I'm working, but anyway. So for my morning snack, it's just water right now. And a lot of that has to do with my Invisalign. It's just, I have to get more comfortable and find the right time that's going to work for me within my schedule. I've got a lot of stuff going on. We all do. But I've got a lot of stuff going on this week, and I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to navigate through taking it out, you know, that whole deal. It's not easy. That's okay though. But I'm drinking a lot more water. For lunch, I am consistently, this is what's always worked for me, or lately anyways, are the Cliff Kids bars. I know it's easy. I'm on the go. Sometimes I'm talking to another person or going to catch up with another teacher about something, and I have to be on the move. So I try not to take something that I have to sit down and eat and chew slowly. But a lot of us are like that with our jobs. Some of us don't even get a lunch break, and we have to eat and work at the same time. So I am grateful for that time. But so I have taken apple slices and or watermelon this week, and I've had that as well. And then I finish off my, actually, you know what, I'm lying. I start my lunch off by eating a couple dates, because I'm really looking forward to those. It's like candy. Let's be honest, if you really like dates, they're so good. So that's my lunch. It's around 8 points. And then when I get home, I have coffee. It's about anywhere from 1 to 3 points, depending on what's left in the coffee pot at the end of the day. And I have been drinking some smoothies. I have not been consistent with that because of what we've been doing. I have to take out my trays, and I don't just chug my smoothie. I can't do that. I have to go slow with consuming my food. So I have been tracking my smoothies as points. And my smoothies are, I just put it in as 6 points, but it's fruits and vegetables. There's nothing else in there besides that and water, so that fills me up. And if I don't have that, I have some sort of fruit or vegetable. The vegetables usually like cucumber. But for dinners, I've just been very mindful, and I've stuck to the salads. I have a big bowl full of salad. Sometimes I look at it and think, oh my gosh, can my stomach handle this? But this week I've really wanted to have the light ranch on my salads, all greens, all kinds of greens, dark greens for vegetables. And one night even I cut up turkey pepperoni, and I put that on with some salt and pepper and my ranch, and that was really good. We had salmon one night with a side salad. So my dinner ranges anywhere from 6 to 8 points. And after I eat, I'm good. Like, I have water for dinner as well, so that fills me up. I also have, I'm not using the straight up apple cider vinegar anymore. I don't even know if I've talked about this before. I used to just drink it like a shot of like 3 ounces. That's terrible. I know some of you are cringing, and it would burn, but I have those golly, those little gummies. I've been having those for a while, but those seem to be working. So I hope this has given you a little bit of insight, motivated in any way. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate the time that you take to watch my videos, and hope you've been inspired in any way, and I hope you have a great week. Take care. Bye-bye.